Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. The new 2022 Volkswagen ID.5 model will come in two flavors, Standard and GTX, with 3 trims and 3 powertrain options. The ID.5's familiar shape, if you use the right amount of squint, is due to it sharing quite a bit with the ID.4. Both have the same wheelbase and overall length, though the ID.5 gets a coupe-like roof to separate it from the more traditional-looking ID.4. While the ID.5 rides on the company's MEB architecture, it isn't a complete carbon copy of the ID.4 under the sheet metal. Unlike the ID.4, the ID.5 comes with just one battery, a 77 kWh pack. It pairs to one of 3 electric motor outputs, depending on the trim, ID.5 Pro, ID.5 Pro Performance, or ID.5 GTX. The Pro and Pro Performance both have rear-mounted electric motors, with the ID.5 Pro delivering 171 horsepower and a 10.4-second 0 to 62 mph time. The Pro Performance delivers 201 horsepower, taking 8.4 seconds to reach 62 mph. Both have a 99 mph or 160 km/h top speed. The ID.5 GTX gets a dual-motor, all-wheel drive configuration that pumps out 295 horsepower, rocketing the EV crossover to 62 mph in 6.3 seconds with a top speed of 111 mph or 180 km/h. VW says the Pro Performance is projected to offer up to 323 miles, or 520 kilometers, of range on Europe's forgiving WLTP testing cycle. The GTX is a bit lower at 298 miles, or 480 kilometers. Helping the ID.5 deliver its range is a sleek 0.26 drag coefficient, which is 0.02 better than the ID.4. Inside, the ID.5 looks exactly like the ID.4, with the same infotainment screen, sparse layout, and digital instrument cluster. GTX models get the trim branding perforated on the seats for some added styling. VW hasn't provided any pricing information, but that should be available closer to the model's on-sale date. It's scheduled to begin arriving in European markets sometime next year.